Good morning, second graders. Today is Monday, May 11th. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you did something very special for your mom for Mother's Day. Today, for language arts, you are going to read Yeshen on page 454 to 465. You can listen to it and then read it to yourself. And then I want you to watch the story Cinderella. Click on the link and watch that. When you are done with that, you are going to click on the lesson video to watch how Mrs. Meddard explains how to complete the Venn diagram. You are going to compare and contrast the story Yeshen to the story Cinderella. All right, you can either hand draw it, or you can print out this worksheet that has the link attached to it. So you can hand draw it on a piece of paper that you have, or go ahead and print that out. And then to end language arts today, you're going to read to self for 20 minutes. There are a couple optional jobs for today as well. You can complete Sunday lesson 113 and Sunday worksheet 113. You can research something that interests you on Pebble Go and then create a poster, Google slide, or some type of creation and present your new learnings on Seesaw. And then you can log into RazKids and complete a comprehension quiz if you are interested. Let me know if you have questions. Good luck today, and I will see you later. Bye.